Maeve, let me see your scary face. Let me see it. Well, show me.
Show Mommy.
Awesome. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to... Where? Outside?
Yes.
Can you say outside? And you want to go there right now? Yeah? What do you want to do? Yo, you want to play with your ball outside? Can you tell me where your ball is? Where?
Where is it?
I don't know.
Do you want to go outside? Okay. Ooh, where's your sweatshirt? Yeah, you have a sweatshirt on? Oh, there's your ball. Are you going to bring your ball outside? Uh-oh, I think the door's locked. Can you say, Daddy, please? Please open. Okay. Bye-bye. Say outside. Are you going outside? See you later. Oh, careful of the stair.